Now, share IMF dear, IMF dear. Now, that is a report we had said this month. And Ghana officially a exit program. Ghana joining 2023 officially May 2023. And that is a report I to say Ghana exit. Minim say o be a wate na wa confirm dia say yes exit. Na exiting so I busa say yen economy is here no. Say Ghana say exit IMF program no na said o mo kaso o ma create 150 billion fund Ghana for yemra magibi na Iran ne ayuko Iran ne US ne Israel ntokwa no nti amane ma ye nti yemra magibi is omo na ebom si yemra magi enye ne e presi e kwakwaje de ba omo na ebom si yemra magi Ghana ye economy is be economy na do sesi ai no ya ready say ye exit IMF program no a ye betimi sustain gains a ye nya sesi ai na yen san koyechi ema inflation any other indicators so any ensem because that is the basis omo de ka say e wo say ye Jesus ka no a ebe boy ama inflation yetima manage ni ye any other things your economy say see and your foundation no a see free mo kra no asala e betima sustain ni de gains anya sisi ai
meda sibunia wako IMF mz say 18 and 19 obezo ko 20 kan then the woman can say yen say yen ninia see yesa no ho betoy woman na kan ababy the African director na kan you can say SSC institutional physical discipline okay and we are seeing this television so I couldn't believe with my ears and eyes so it will be a more so we procurement on going with you for there 400 and something million between the houses in 50 million and I'm with that if you if you will be kusiha no any open institutional physical discipline means we can play with tomorrow no SSC and me and open to contract national service yeah or no the for question no be if you say you can't put and fan or to dying or to what to tell you the school abuchi. It is your institutional financial discipline. Physical discipline mean because you only have to say, yeah, we do not have oh, Namia boy, maybe 69 years. Sankaria, to send me a come out me pension about the young, come up only a gun and pension, credit system. No, you want to know also. I mean, it is ridiculous. You know, I think it's a car. You can't say, your change as you need police need to person here. Now, if you are so unusual, I didn't use the court system. I didn't create a new view. It's making prosecutorial company business. We need your power now or the prosecutor. Deliberate. Say your you can't give me a we are cost of book the cost of your taxation. It is a you can let you see a million right. Let now see a couple for the idea, because he caught no 10 20. Anyway, steady in the debt. You cannot say inflation will bar down only dollar bar from you. And you can see you do 45% for the GDP.
Which was the target? The target on the Maya in this program Maya XT was it 50 or 45%? Some can say you bet to a certain level as part of the conditionalities of the Maya. And see, yeah, boy, homeworking.
Oh, I need to hear, sir, the income and this one, I'm a basson say, you. Oh, by a say, I don't remember foreign component, no, a cost. And about what you say, a foreign engineer, not your debt, no cost of value. It is an idea, a foreign dear. You must see into what they are much to see, you know, campaign, many free hope. Because of Ganita, the foreign external debt, the cost of external debt because of GDP, the cost of. See, debt, dear, and you see, It is already declared you it is an omnia we must take our heart off. Because target now reckon almost a team said 2035. When can you 2025?
2035.
And we to achieve 2026. If we 2025, we must take our heart off for that discipline. Because see, I'm feeling that the Kadi, you trust me, as I say, I can't say revenue mobilization. I told you, the first GDP ratio is been there 13% almost 10 years. If that be an Akoma, and I'm going to see the AI, we are confident about Pelican AI. Okay, openly, and when you trouble, you have a destination inspection. You have pre-inspecting, and I know you are watching the damage in there. And you have been confusing and says a boots look like most many price comparison are which I'm from a from destiny. You will have a custom union, because you're saying you want from a customs for, and you move here the man. What was here the admission economy? Masa, Kuma. Look, get an independent person to look at this so that when you can, nobody challenges you. Our cash GDP ratio, it's terrible. We have to reduce government waste in expenditure. Because I'm sharing on what achievement in achievement. Yes,
that's a point. Obikra catch me say, and say, you are the and by one quadio. Now, at the end of that, I see a creative 50 billion fund, $50 billion. A mine mumra mum. Obi a metal uncle, Tizebi as a 3 billion Sakoja. Yakojana, they are managing Yama. Now, home and any and our tour force it. And you managing him, you know, say a G and someone. Obia some more can, Obia some more can ye say, yeah, I didn't have any gun because you're free more. But I think that Ebiana, Yenya, I mean, people are the governor, Bank of Ghana, any Atuahene. Ebi at this time, the Omasha Siabe Sabri, they will be able to manage it for us to see, say, yes, after IMF, we are doing well. Say, yeah, we will not be after 1 year now, 6 months. Who say any emergency? And then quickly, there's some of the Debbie and maybe we just run to them now.
It's the all kind of attorney Johnson, Asiana. At least, yes, a boy Abaso, fair. At least you might be in 2023, 24. You're telling me, but now we will be looking at Akwasi. I read that one of the economic diversification and growth. What do you say? What do you call the need to come? That no comfort tomatoes need to no can once a market.
Yeah, Mekai.
We didn't come on and say to Chrome, I did their annual water agent to say nobody, we get tomatoes who are Akoma Franco, and we there, my heart is a in India. Where a child whom we are, near the comfort tomatoes live in Burkina Faso. Where they are back. And you see the safe you're converting it here. Anything about when I said be report to say use your domestic production in particularly in agric. Because so one man because channel area tomatoes you could be a program idea. If you be no linkage is here when you see the car by warehouse and now no crab with tea I think school you will be
I almost say perishable items nana almost sika almost the kwakoto ebi wo hode but na almost demand this aban e ka wo nti aban hwe no settle more and pay ne Charles for this ankomo no nti na perishable items I will can be tomatoes ne pepper ne nasefo onion ne we no bia no asemo na ye kan bia no
so bia no ya One day, and can move who so be Papa Kuma, be a more a drop, never think of a man. And one the culture what be an assassin. Someone went to competing with a moon and a banner. If you walk a cram on a bar, China for one Vietnam and Adiaba. We must learn to eat our own so that production can go up. Unfortunately, so what is happening, and I'm in America, and go for me from importers. It may be a Kasama. Because people tell you $1 maybe a mammo. mo de mo owiase mo ba mo nim anka mo ka bo mo nyina na mo yese se mo ko biasa ni se ye ye ni mo ye pesi e bia tomatoes ana ano ni ja anu kra aba be do amo but o mo de o ko fa ba e na dela ko ko na dela ko so o mo de o mo ti ya si dela nso ye print wa ho ni print wa ha ye ko to ni ma ni nya ni de atoti na o mo ka chere se boost your domestic production, especially in agric industry, especially in industry. It's a poultry.
Sango konketenkete eguso.
Ah yeah, no, study youth me ukokoma no chema ni pejina fu kanu na ko djuma ni pejina ni pejina na djina ho ene kwa bia na wo ho no be ko no so tsi nten because youth development no and entrepreneurship ni ho e wan si e camp of no sa nti ye pese ye ko ye si ya me ko do to ni ko bia ye o ma kan kire no ye si ye hu ni na ho